story today. That has to be the movement in capital market stocks. This amid the listing of Groww on the bourses and, of course, after strong show by BSE in Q2. Sudarshan is joining us now to give us more details on this. Sudarshan, take it away.
So first, take a look at all the other stocks from the BSE, Angel One, CAM, CDSL, and even NSTL. All these stocks are higher, and there are two major catalysts. First, Groww has been listed on stock exchanges today. It was a healthy listing. And second, BSE has come out with its earnings for Q2, and those earnings looked very strong operationally. On the back of that, we are seeing a big or huge move in all the other capital market names. So now, first talking about Groww. So it saw a healthy listing, listed at a premium of almost 12% to the issue price. The issue price was rupees 100 per share. Now the interesting part in Groww is currently 83% revenue that company gets is from the brokerage. Now company is saying that MTF interest currently is 3%. Going forward, brokerage revenue contribution will come down and MTF contribution is going to increase from the current level of 3%. Company is saying that going forward, it's going to increase to almost 13% in medium to long term. So this is one of the major positive catalysts for today's move in the capital market stocks.
So Sudarshan, tell us more about the listing of Groww and what is the management penciling in for the road ahead?
So as I told you, Groww has made a good listing and recent listing, like most of the companies that list on stock exchanges, majority of them have listed with premium, and also you would have seen that the amount that coming is from the primary market, and BSE even its analyst call has talked about the increase in the flow from the primary market over the last few months, and following the trend we have seen an healthy listing from Groww, and the management commentary also has looked largely positive. And one important point that they have talked about is the increasing the contribution of MTF and reducing the contribution that they currently have from brokerage firm.
Thank you very much for that. Before that, just a quick word. BSE, very strong numbers, and despite that entire change in the expiry date, they held on to their market share and done well.
So that's what. So before I talk about the Q2 numbers, so recently two headlines that were for BSE. One, there was a change in the expiry day, and second, will the weekly expiry stay or go? Now talking about the expiry day was changed from Tuesday to Thursday for BSE, and for NSE it was changed from Thursday to Tuesday. Now before that there was an expectation that turnover for BSE will come down considering the expiry day, but on the first day when it was changed, very first day, company has seen turnover of almost 50,000 crore, and that was the highest ever that company had seen in a single day on the expiry day. Second talking point was about the weekly expiry. Now recently you would have seen about the SEBI chairman talking that any decision that will be taken on expiry, weekly expiry, will be taken only after a detailed consultation. And also there was some comment coming in from finance minister, and following that, the day this comment came, we saw a huge move in BSE stock. It was up almost 10%. Now coming to the earnings. Earnings looked very strong. Operating revenue has increased almost 11% on a sequential basis, and the biggest contribution that company gets is from transactional charges. There also we have seen an increase. Margin has seen a minor contraction of around 60 to 65 basis points. That's because of increase in the regulatory charges. That saw an increase of almost 20%. But overall, on an operational basis, it was a very good set of earnings. So two catalysts, Groww's listing, healthy listing, BSE's strong earnings, that led to a big gain for all the other capital market names.
Oh yes, we can see that in the stock prices as well. Thank you so much, Sudarshan, for joining in and making sense of the moves that we are seeing in this space. But with that, we'll do one thing. We'll slip into a short break. Management of Axis Max Life Insurance joins us next to discuss their Q2 numbers and more. Stay tuned for that.